Hello students, we are learning about food and till now we have learned that there are two main sources of food, that is plants and animals. And we are discussing about the food that we get from the plants first, and we have discussed and learned that we eat different parts of different plants, and we eat seeds of many plants, and we have learned that wheat, rice, maize, and pulses, nuts, these all are the seeds of their plants. And then we have learned that we also eat the leaves of many plants, like spinach, fenugreek, cabbage, and mustard, and that we use as a vegetable, and these are called green vegetables. And they are very important because they are good for our health and protect us from diseases. And there are many leaves which are used for garnishing and flavoring our foods. For example, coriander, mint, and curry plant. Now today we will learn about the other parts of the plants that we eat. So we also eat the stem of some plants. So you can see here the examples like potato, onion, ginger, kamal kakri. These all are the stem of their plants. And you all know we eat these things. We all eat potatoes, onion, ginger. So these are the stem of their plants. Potato is a very common food used all over the world. So not only in India but all over the world, potato is a very common food. It is nothing but underground stem of its plant. So it is a stem but it is under the ground. ये क्या होता है, जमीन के नीचे होती है. Because most of the stem you have seen that it is above the ground, but the potato is a underground stem of its plant. ये अपने प्लांट की अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम है, जमीन के नीचे होती है. And other stems which are often eaten are onion, ginger, and stem of lotus. So these are the stems of the plants, and these are found under the ground. The kamal kakri is the stem of the lotus, and you know that lotus is a aquatic plant. Aquatic plant है और ये वाटर में होती है. और जो ये जिंजर है ये भी आपका अंडरग्राउंड होता है, ओनियन भी, एंड पोटैटो. So these are the underground stem of their plants. And we also eat the roots of some plants. So you can see here the examples: carrot, radish, turnip. These are the roots of their plants, and these are also very good for our health. So the root of some plants are used as food. हम जैसे हमने और पार्ट्स हमने पढ़े हैं कि we eat seeds, leaves, stems. Similarly, we also eat the roots of some plants, and these roots can be eaten raw and cooked. So you all know हम जो ये कैरेट हैं, रेडिश हैं, इनको हम रॉ फॉर्म में भी खाते हैं, एज अ सैलेड भी खाते हैं, ऐसे भी खा लेते हैं. इनके कैरेट के जूस भी निकाल के पीते हैं हम लोग. So we eat them in raw form, and sometimes we make it or cook it before eating. इसकी सब्जी बना के हम कुक करके भी खाते हैं. You must have eaten carrot, radish, turnip, and beetroot. All these are roots of their plants. So these are the examples of roots that we eat. So as we have discussed that we eat different parts of different plants. So ये plants के different parts ही हैं जो हम ट्रीट कर रहे हैं, root, stem, leaves, nut, seeds, and the last one is your fruits. So you all know that fruit is also a part of a plant, and we eat fruits. Why? Because fruits keeps us fit and healthy and also protects us from diseases. So learn these potatoes, onion, ginger, and kamal kakdi. These are the stem of the plants. So the question may be asked that name some stems that we eat. So you must know that potato, onion, and ginger are the stem of the plants. And if it is asked that name some plants whose roots we eat, so you must know that carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot are the roots of the plants that we eat, जिन्हें हम खाते हैं. And fruits, so you know that we eat different types of fruits, and you can name many fruits that you eat, and you all like to eat fruits. So sweet and juicy fruits like mangoes, oranges, grapes, muskmelons, and watermelon are eaten raw. So most of the fruits we eat in raw form. हम कैसे खाते हैं उनको? कच्चा ही खा लेते हैं. As these examples are given, you can see here lots of fruits in the picture. Some fruits are cooked and eaten as a vegetable also. So most of the fruits we eat in raw form, but there are some fruits which are cooked and eaten as vegetable. So ऐसे fruits भी होते हैं जिनको हम cooked और उसको कुक करते हैं पहले और फिर हम उसको एज अ वेजिटेबल खाते हैं. Examples: brinjal, ladyfinger, and tomato are some such fruits. So these are the fruits of their plants, and we eat them as a vegetable. So tomatoes are eaten raw as well as cooked. So you all know that as a salad भी हम tomatoes को खाते हैं और उसको vegetable cook करते हुए भी डालते हैं हम. आपकी मदर जो है जब vegetables बनाते हैं तो उसमें tomatoes डालते हैं. एंड tomatoes की बहुत सारी चीज़ें भी बनती है like tomato sauce, right? So these are the fruits of the plants. So we have learnt about the different parts of the plants that we eat. So कुछ plants के हम seeds खाते हैं, कुछ के हम roots खाते हैं, कुछ के हम fruits खाते हैं, कुछ के stem खाते हैं और कुछ के हम leaves भी खाते हैं. So these are all about the food that we get from the plants. In next video, we will learn and discuss about the food that we get from animals. Thank you.